Purpose of this video is to discuss SQLite files. Normally, they're supposed to be .db files, but lately I've been receiving some files you guys are submitting. They're .sqbpro files. What in the world is that? I didn't know. How in the world? But anyway, let's go through this process of when we first started doing this terms definition database. Okay, I gave you an empty database. If we right click on that, we say save link as, and I'm going to save that as, not as one. Make sure that you save it as that. And I'm going to save that to my desktop. Okay, you're going to see it pop up right here. There it is right there. Okay, so now I can double click on that because I already have it linked to my what is it? It's the database browser for SQLite, huh? But anyway, I'm going to double click on that. Now, I haven't done this before, but people out there surprise me all the time with new clever things that you guys do to mess me up. If you hit File, you can actually save as project, save project right there, okay? And then what you guys been doing is you've been doing something like this. You say, this is my sqbpro. I don't know who, somebody figured it out. But anyway, we're going to say save. Now, what is this? It actually creates a new file right here, okay, right there. It doesn't really know what it is, but if I close down my browser now, my SQLite browser, and I right-click on there and say open with, I can open that up with my database browser for SQLite, and I have it, okay? Huh. The thing is that what's cool about this, I can actually take this, I can cut that from here, and I can put that into some, I don't know, I've got this folder right here. I'm going to stick it in here, okay? And pops up over here. I didn't see it. I'm going to paste it right there. Paste, okay. Now if I take and run it out of there, but with SQ Browser, just like that, okay. The thing is that I have my terms here, okay. And let's take and just add a browse data. Let's put a new one in there, a new record. And I'm going to say this is page number 2 or 1 or something like that, and blah. And blah means blah, blah, like that. Okay, and I tell it to go ahead and write the changes, save it. Okay. Now, if I look in my original right there, okay, sure enough, I've got one in there. Okay, there it is right there. If I open up this, where is that folder here? Right there. Oh, I got to right click on it and say open with browser like that. Okay. And once again, look at that, browse data, I got one. So it's actually pointing at this file right here. Now, if you submit this right here, it's not going to do me any good because there's nothing in here because basically this one points at that database. So that's what that is. Anyway, now let's say if, okay, Tom says I got to go back to the original, the database file. How do I find that file? Because all I got is this one here. If I run that, with like that, okay, you're going to see at the top here, it actually shows you this file right here, okay? So if you can't find your original database file, look at this right here, and this is the one that I want. This is the one that I want, and not this other one right here. Don't send me that, okay? Hopefully that'll clear up the matter.